You can't hold a reason with the people them. Hmm?
Which people?
The people them, the viewers them, how long you there in the streets now, my G?
Good.
A long time I know you know my boss. Cause I'm working in New Kingston a while. How long you there in the streets now?
A good while.
Good look a while. So what make you feel? What make you reach in the streets?
Holy for things. Just life, you know?
Life, my general.
Yeah.
So you feel like the government are doing nothing for help people there in the streets, especially New Kingston, look which part with there.
But me myself look at this stuff. Me don't too believe in the government. The government of Babylon, so they do their thing, I do mine. I don't want them responsible.
Yeah. I feel what you say, still. I feel what you say, because I mean, you have to do your thing, and because them are do for them thing for sure.
Yeah.
So you just have to do your thing. You see
If
me?
any of them people I want to make them response, I guess them can.
Yeah.
It's up to them.
True.
Yeah.
I'm glad to see you in the streets still, I'm a general. Well, not necessarily in the streets, but
Still
glad
alive,
to see you
yeah.
still up, you see me? And still I do the thing, and yeah, we just have to keep positive. You know, the thing is strong, but you see me? Do what
Yeah.
we can do in my day, you see me?
Yeah.
Man, people, so the general are living it. Don't tell them say New Kingston with that. Look on the streets, so look how it's pretty. On them vehicle there, expensive vehicle and all of that. You see what I say? You know, feel like so the government need to do more for the people them. Definitely. Look which part with that. All of these companies are some top companies, you know, major, because sports store right there. See me?